दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल स्मार्ट स्टेनोग्राफर को और लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं। दोस्तों आज मैं आप लोगों को प्रेसिडेंट श्री रामनाथ कोविंद के 4 मार्च 2019 को एयरफोर्स स्टेशन हकीमपेट एंड 5 बेस रिपेयर डिपोट के कलर्स प्रेजेंटेशन के उपलक्ष्य में दिए गए भाषण की डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूं, जिसकी स्पीड अप्रोक्सीमेट 100 WPM होगी और टोटल वर्ड 560 होंगे। सो बी रेडी। I am happy to be here today at Air Force Station Sulur to award colors to Air Force Station Hakimpet and 5 Base Repair Depot. Both these stations have a rich history of professional excellence and have served the nation with honor and distinction in peace and during hostility. The nation honors them today with a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation for their selfless devotion, professionalism, and courage in the face of adversity. India's growing stature in the Committee of Nations is consistent with the strength and capabilities of our armed forces. India remains firmly committed to peace, but in case the need arises, we will use all our might to protect the nation's sovereignty. I am confident that our valiant men and women in uniform will rise to the occasion. Our armed forces, exemplified by the air warriors who stand before us, reflect our firm resolve to defend our nation. Their valor and professionalism was on display very recently as the Indian Air Force carried out preemptive strikes on a known terrorist camp. The Indian Air Force has over the years grown into a modern, technology-intensive force distinguished by its commitment to excellence and professionalism. Keeping pace with the demands of contemporary advancement, the Indian Air Force continues to modernize in a rapid manner and is in the process of a very comprehensive modernization plan. Besides safeguarding the sovereign skies of our nation, the Indian Air Force has also been at the forefront of all humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. The resilience and tenacity displayed by our valiant air warriors is a great source of pride for the nation. Keeping our aircrafts airworthy is a crucial task. In this regard, 5 Base Repair Depot has been repairing and overhauling the Kiran, Avro, and Dornier aircraft, many of which are maintained airworthy even after 30 years. Numerous unique indigenization measures adopted by this base repair depot to promote self-reliance have effectively contributed toward enhancing the operational potential. 5 Base Repair Depot has truly epitomized its motto Kaya Kalp with continuous rejuvenation through infusion of new ideas, innovations, and technological developments. The Base Repair Depot's effort to promote indigenous design and development of defense equipment for achieving substantive self-reliance under the Make in India initiative are praiseworthy. Air Force Station Hakimpet has served the nation with distinction. The station has been imparting quality training to pilots of the Indian Air Force. The strong foundation gained by the pilots facilitated their successful further graduation to higher performance aircraft. During the wars of 1965 and 1971, the flying instructor and technical personnel of the station joined operational unit and served with remarkable courage and professionalism. It is also to the credit of Air Force Station HAKIMPET for having commenced flying training for lady pilots in helicopter stream in 1995 and on fighter stream in 2016. The station personnel have also been involved in various humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. In acknowledgement and recognition of their outstanding performance, I am pleased to award colors to Air Force Station HAKIMPET and 5 Base Repair Depot. I take the opportunity to compliment the personnel and families of both these stations, past and present, for their selfless sacrifice and service to the nation. The nation is indeed proud of you. I wish you and your family the very best and a glorious future.